Hey, how's it going? So here we are again at another garage, checking out and helping out another. You might recognize the car. So this is 73 Mustang Mach 1. Ooh. This is actually my son's 73 Mach 1. Got everything just about all done. Just about all done. It's all just got it registered, and getting ready to see the light of day. And here comes the man himself. So we are at another garage helping another. So we're building his door panels. Putting his interior together. So I am just gonna get all of these lined up so we can get the interior panel in. You know, polish this chrome and then put it on. So we found these door panels. These door panels are actually very nice. They're very well made. I don't know who makes them, but they're very well made. Good. Yeah. I'm bending it. There you go.
Really don't want to go take it for a drive?
Huh?
You don't want to go take it for a drive?
We can if you want to.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how it drives.
Okay. It'll be his first actual maiden voyage, and then we'll start debugging it. So I'll bring it back when we get it out.
That's good.
Tyler's Mustang. It's his first voyage. See how you gotta stand on him?
You really do gotta stand
easy,
on
yeah. So go easy. You got a heavy foot. Slow down on the foot. It's reliable. Slower. You gotta hit those speed bumps less hard, Tyler.
I'm doing 5 miles an hour.
You're in an old car, Tyler. It's good though. It's good.
The hesitation.
Yeah, it does have a hesitation.
Yep.
Just needs a little bit more tuning.
That's the secondary air door.
Yeah, it needs a little more tuning, that's all.
Yeah.
You know what it needs? It needs Angel.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So that was our first drive in it. He's been working on it since he was 16, so you know, it's a bad car. It needs a little bit of tuning. Work out the bugs. Not bad for a first run. I thought we were gonna get stuck, but it worked out good. Needs a wash. Tyler, take it in easily. All right. Okay, so tell us a little bit about the car.
So it's a 73 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with the 351 Cleveland engine. It's a C6 automatic transmission. It's got Patriot long tube headers, 3-inch stainless steel exhaust to 2 Flowmaster Super 10s, Sport 30 over, and it's got a Cam XE275H. That's pretty much it. I've tried to keep the interior as stock as possible, and then the motor's not really anything super crazy.
How long have you had?
Forever.
What's ever?
I was 14 when we got it. 16.
That's a birthday car. All right, and today was his first voyage.
Yeah. First time actually moving it.
How you feeling about it?
Feel pretty okay.
All right, so.
Cool.
All right, so here we are with Tyler and his Mustang, 73 Mustang. Long time coming. All right, talk to you guys later.